Well. 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 Well, well. So many ways one word can be stressed. Let's find out more about well. Hi, my name's Damien and I'm the English sledgehammer that loves smashing down language barriers. In this series, we're focusing on vocabulary and how to get smart about learning new words. We focus on depth, not breadth. What do I mean by that? Well, lots of time I see students learning lots and lots of words, but they don't really know how to use those words. So in this series, we focus on depth, which is looking a lot more deeply at one word and making sure we can use that word in spoken and written English. Now, I've chosen these words because they're all from the essential word list, which has the top 560 words by frequency used in English. And today, we'll be looking at well, not all those other words. We have well used as an adjective, adverb, and discourse marker, and the comparative form of well is better, and the superlative is best. Here's some ways to use well. Meaning one, to talk about success. This video's going very well. Yay! Meaning two, to talk about your health. Oh, I'm not feeling very well. I don't think I should have drunk those 16 beers last night. Oh. To add emphasis when talking about pandas. Well, not only pandas, but in this example sentence, I'm talking about pandas. Going to see the panda at Chiang Mai Zoo was well worth the visit. Oh, aren't they lovely? Well, as an adjective, usually talks about health. Don't use it to talk about success. His IELTS test scores were not very well. Probably because he couldn't use well. His IELTS test scores were very good. Collocations are words that commonly go together. Learn a lot of these and you'll become a lot more fluent in your speaking and writing. To grade well, try using words like quite, very, or rather. And to add more emphasis, use the expression well aware or well worth. Remember to check the links below for Play Phrase Me. This website is great for finding out collocations in spoken English. Blood and tears can well up. Ugh. This comes from the noun meaning of well, which was a hole where you used to draw water from. So think of welling up. Imagine a well with lots of blood coming out of the top of it. So I think we've gotten to the bottom of the well with well. Now it's over to you. With English or learning any language, it's important to practice. So in the comments below, try writing 3 sentences using 3 different meanings of well. And if you're lucky, I might give you some feedback. Also, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to keep up to date with all my latest videos, as each month I'll be exploring more words from the essential word list. Oh, if you're looking for a full vocabulary system, make sure you check out my book, English Words Unmasked. It's in a link in the description. I'm sure you'll love it. And remember, start smashing language barriers today. See you next time.